Hello, and welcome to this brief overview of tasks in Morpheus. There are many task types available, including scripts added directly, scripts and templates from the library section, recipes, playbooks, salt states, Puppet agent installs, and HTTP API calls. Tasks are primarily created for use in workflows, but a single task can be executed on an existing instance by going into the instance details, selecting the actions, and then clicking Run Task. When creating a task, the required and optional inputs will vary significantly by the task type. However, there are options which are common to tasks of all types. When creating a task, users can select a target to perform the execution. Some task types allow for any of the three execution targets, being resource, local, and remote, and some will limit the user to just one or two. For details on what execution targets are available for each task type, visit our documentation linked below. To add tasks, go to Library, Automation, Tasks, Add. The possible target options for a task are as follows: resource, local, and remote. Resource, meaning a Morpheus managed instance or server is selected. Local, meaning the task is executed by the Morpheus appliance node. And remote, in which the user specifies a remote box which will execute the task. The execution options are as follows. When retryable is ticked, this task can be configured to be retried in the event of a failure. If retryable is ticked, then retry count will be the maximum number of times the task will be retried when there is a failure. Retry delay signifies the amount of time between retries. And if allow custom configuration is checked, a text area is provided at the task execution time to allow the user to pass extra variables or specify extra configuration. For more details on the custom configuration, please see our documentation linked below. When writing a task config, it's often necessary to reference Morpheus variables which pertain to the specific instance the task is being run against. Morpheus includes a pop-out column along the right side of the task modal which lists available variables. Click and drag the relevant variable into the config area, and Morpheus will automatically fill in the variable call formatted for the currently chosen task type. As with most things in the Morpheus UI, use the pencil icon for editing and the trash icon for deleting. To execute a task individually, click the gear icon and click Execute. This has been a brief overview of tasks in Morpheus. Hopefully this was helpful. Thank you.